Hey, this is Dad Random, and I am day seven of the big build. And ladies and gentlemen, we are fully enclosed. Day 7. All right. We've got a complete roof system up. So we are completely enclosed, so we are ready to start doing some tearaway and some sheathing. So if you look up top there, you can see where the old shed was. You remember the sun logo right here? So that right. A lot of work, guys. 7 days. Guys, 7 days we went from this little shed right here to complete roof system. So there she is right there. Guys, it won't be long before I'm sitting right here in this chair and the lights are going to be low. We'll have the TV going. We'll have some cocktails basically pouring, nice and relaxed. But 7 days, guys, 7 days from shed to about, I don't know, I'd say if you want to look at how far we went in 7 days, I've got sheathing to do. I've got finish work on the exterior to do. I've got to install a window. I have both doors cased in so you can see better about what the doors are going to look like. So here's basically where a doorway is going to be right here. So you can see it's all headed in. And it's ready to go. So this will be a big, nice big 36-inch door in swing. And on the opposite side, so we'll close up this wall here this week, cut it, and we'll cut holes in. And we'll cut in this door right here. We did some blocking to firm up the corners, but right here will be 36 80 by 80 door. Right there, so it should be ready to go. All right. So a lot of progress in 7 days. So, all right. So for Dad Random and the big build, and yes, it's been hot. You can tell by the way I'm dressing that the sun has been intense, but we just keep working. We just keep plodding along. So later, and Monday, tomorrow, starts a new week, and then finish work. Yes, later, and bye.